You know what, bro? It's really a blessing that you are part of this concert tour. Talagang
You were a blessing for me, kuya.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Dahil gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo guys na napakabait mo nitong si Stel. Talaga napakagaan ka trabaho. Yung mga sumusuporta po sa kanya, I just wanna say na hindi po kayo nagkamali ng iniidolong singer. And I know, I believe that you will go places even more.
Thank you, kuya.
Just keep your feet on the ground palagi. Yes, stay humble and always continue to love the people who truly love you.
Thank you, kuya. You know what, guys? Kuya Eric is very, very, very mabait din.
Oh, really, huh?
Yeah, super bait. He's super bait. Like, he will give us again to dance today.
Kaya mo po naman kanina eh. Di pa ba enough yun?
Hindi kasi nag-sample ako, so dapat mag-sample ka din. Everyone, Gento! Eric Santos, Gento. You want to see Eric Santos dancing Gento?
Siyempre, I can say no, di ba?
Kuya Eric, this is the right time to do this.
Ano nga yun ulit? Ano paano?
Parang kagabi nagpa-practice ka. We were practicing this last night.
Matagal na kasing wala, kaya nakalimutan ko na. Joke lang.
Kaya-kaya.
Ano naman bata dito? Okay.
Okay. Gento, pwede po tayo mag-gento? Oh, everyone! Eric Santos, everyone! Mag-gento po siya, ready?
Gusto mo, openin na kita.
Sigawan para kay Eric Santos! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Artist improvisation.
Gusto ko sa'yo. Marami rin ako natututunan sa'yo.
Mas marami ako natutunan.